to fix screenshot not working in Windows 11. So if you want to fix screenshot not working in your Windows 11, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your settings. Once you're under your settings, you need to go with apps, which is on the left side, and then go with installed apps. Or you may have apps and features option. Go with apps and features or default apps, and here you need to search for Snipping Tool or Snip and Sketch. And once you find it, you need to go with the right side, which has that 3 dots, and then go with advanced options. And from here, you need to go with let this app run in the background. You can go with the drop down, and from the drop down, you need to select always. And after selecting always, you need to scroll down and go with repair, which is right here. If it doesn't work by repairing, then you can reset the app. So click on reset, and once you click on reset, it will reset the application, and after that your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix, then you just need to simply go back and you can go with the search bar, and under search bar you need to search for CMD, command prompt. Go with run as administrator and click on yes. And here you need to enter a command, which is sfc space / scan now. And after that, hit the enter. It might take a few seconds or a few minutes. Just wait for 4 to 5 minutes till it's complete the verification, and after that you need to type exit and then enter. And after typing exit, it will be removed. This might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem again, then you need to again click on the search bar, and from the search bar now you need to go with device manager. Click on device manager. From the device manager, you need to go with the keyboard option, and from the keyboard you need to go with the standard PS2 keyboard. Right click on it, go with update driver, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. So go with update driver, and you can go with search automatically, or you can also go with browse my computer, and then let me pick from an available drivers and select this one, and then after that go with next. And this might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't, then you just need to simply go with your search icon again and search for task manager. Under task manager, here you need to click on the snip and sketch or snipping tool. If you find the snipping tool right here, you need to go with snipping tool, and you need to just right click on the snipping tool, and then you need to go with end task. And after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.